Well, hey, welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to do a speed test. We have a Chamberlain B4613T, known as the mothership. What? And the challenger today is LiftMaster 8553.
Oh my God!
All right, in this race we're going to start with it going down, so check this out.
Let's do this.
Seeing who the winner was on that, on the downward. Now let's take them open and see who wins.
Wait a minute. That was legit.
There you have it. What do you think? Leave a comment below and hit that like button. Please subscribe if you haven't. We'll talk to you soon. Peace out.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?